Pharmaceutical presentation. Tablet compression machine and granulation equipment. Tablet compression machine. Tablet compression machine. A tablet compression machine makes the tablets by pressing the granules in a die with lower and upper punches. Tablets are being formed by compressing the granules by using a compression machine. The tablet is formed in a compression machine by pressing the granules in a die with the lower and upper punch. Tablet formation takes place by the combined pressing action of two punches, lower and upper, and a die. Due to different innovations in tablet compression machines, it is now possible to produce more than 500,000 tablets per hour. The principle of the tablet compression machine. The tablet compression machine's main principle is to compress the upper and lower punches in an nth-degree die hole. The hydraulic pressure plays a key role. This pressure is transmitted unreduced through the static fluid. Any externally applied pressure is transmitted via static fluid in all directions in the same proportion. It also makes it possible to multiply the force as needed. If we increase the hydraulic pressure to more compressing force on the tablet, then it becomes more difficult. Different stages of the tablet compression process. The tablet compression process is divided into 4 distinct stages. This stage includes filling, metering, compressing, and ejection. The tablet compressing stage. The filling formulation is overfilled at the compressing station. Metering overfill was removed. Compression tablets are formed by the pressure of punches within a die. Tablet ejected from the die. Advantages. The therapeutic agent is used in a low concentration, reduces intra- and inter-batch variability by reducing formulation component segregation during storage and processing, does not require the use of special grades of excipients. Tablets react to post-processing unit operations. Granulation equipment. Granulation equipment. Tablets and capsules continue to be the most commonly manufactured oral solid dosage form in the pharmaceutical industry. Before tabletting, pharmaceutical compounds undergo granulation to improve flowability and processing. A granulation is the process of collecting particles together by creating bonds between them. Bonds are formed by compaction or by using a binding agent. With this post, we will introduce you to the science of granulation, one of the most critical operations in the oral solid dosage form manufacturing process. Granulation process. Tablet or capsule quality is achieved by the granulation process and not just by compressing granules in a tablet press or filling capsule shells. Granulation is the process of bonding and forming granules from one or more powders to allow the tabletting process to produce tablets within the specified tablet press speed range or in automatic capsule filling machines. The granulation process improves flow and compression characteristics, reduces segregation, eliminates excess amounts of fine particles, and improves weight uniformity to achieve drug content uniformity. Results in fewer tablet defects, improved yield, higher productivity, and reduced downtime. Types of granulation machines. High shear mixer. The oscillating granulator machine. Fluid bed top spray granulation. Wet granulation. In wet granulation, granules are formed by the addition of a granulation liquid onto a powder bed, which is under the influence of an impeller, in a high-shear granulator, screws, in a twin-screw granulator, or air, in a fluidized bed granulator. The agitation in the system, combined with the wetting of the components during the formulation, causes the primary powder particles to aggregate and form wet granules. The granulation liquid, fluid, contains a solvent or carrier material which must be volatile so that it can be removed by drying, and depending on the intended application, be non-toxic. Dry granulation. The dry granulation process is used to form granules without a liquid solution because the product being granulated may be sensitive to moisture and heat. Forming granules without moisture requires compacting and densifying the powders. In this process, the primary powder particles are aggregated under high pressure. A swaying granulator or a roll compactor can be used for dry granulation. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.